Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And my co-host will be Shoshana at All Things Shoshana. And today's episode is entitled The Spring Fireplace Collaboration 2025. Now we have simple rules. And the rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, decorate your fireplace, bookshelf, or cabinet for spring. Number 3, use the title Spring Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2025. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channels. Number 6, use the hashtag Spring Fireplace 2025 in your title and description. Number 7, there will be a twist. You must include at least one bumblebee in your decor. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. Number 9, have fun doing the collaboration. The collaboration date will be March 11th, 2025. And the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.